All right, so we are going to do a tire change. Okay, we are 5 minutes away. Now they're calling me. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Good.
You for the tire change on the Volkswagen?
Yes.
I'm right behind you.
What's that?
I'm right behind you.
You're pulling in now? Okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Hi, how you doing, sir?
Fucking crazy.
Yeah, hi, my name
Buried
is...
my brother-in-law today.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
This is the last fucking thing I need. You know?
It's fine, don't worry about it. I'm here to help you.
Great, thank you.
All right, let me get this thing.
Now, did Geico send you?
Yes, you've been waiting for a long time?
A couple hours, yeah.
Oh, for real? Yeah, I just received the call.
Listen, thank you.
I'm pretty sure they were telling you that there were no providers available, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they do that, but they should have sent me the call right away.
Yeah.
Because they know that I'm there. But if they don't have nobody from their end, they don't want to pay.
Now,
all right.
How do we be safe there?
We should be fine here. Just...
You have flashers on?
Yep, I got flashes on and everything.
You have your own jack?
I got my own jack. This tire is flat, so I'm gonna fill it up. I'll be right back.
Okay, thanks.
Stay inside the vehicle, okay? Or stay in this way. Yep. All right. Whew, it's hot today. Too late, buddy.
What, a Geico double book it?
What was that?
What, a Geico double book it?
What's that mean?
It means that I have a dispatch for this car.
Me too.
When did you get yours?
Just like 10 minutes ago?
10 minutes ago?
Yeah.
They said you couldn't make it.
Who said I couldn't make it, Jake?
I've been here for 2.5 hours.
I only got it at 8:14. Well, I'm on scene.
Alright. 61 PSI. What was that? only have one compressor connected.
Is not taking it?
Huh? Yeah, yeah.
It's broken?
Yeah.
6:30, I made the first call.
Wow,
It's 9, and then you guys show up 2 minutes apart.
that's crazy. I show you when I got the call. I live right here, so I'm always quick. All right, let me get all my tools. So these tires are a little bit tricky because you gotta use this tool right here to pop these things out. Alright, after you pop that out, pretty sure this is like a 17.
Did I hit something? Is that how it ripped
14.
apart?
Did you run it for a while? Did you run it for
I
a
was just
little?
coming down for 2 hours.
But did you run it like flat for a little while?
No, right here.
Yeah, maybe
Like hit a piece
maybe
of
like I
metal.
have like a hole and when it got flat, so it ripped off. Save this. This is the cap for the lock nuts. Alright, this is moving, so let me just put it right here. Look at that.
So I hit something.
Be careful. You have like
Pieces of shred.
yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty bad.
No problems.
I don't think it's gonna fit in there because let me try. Okay. Gotta be very careful. Oh look, it fit.
Right.
Look. This is the center for
I'm
that.
gonna put those in there.
Yep, put all that in there. Let's put this right here. Make sure whoever fixed that tire, make sure they put everything back together.
No problem. I'll bring them to you.
Yep.
So were you sent here by Geico?
No. Motor Club. Yeah.
I gave someone a credit card. Is that you guys?
What was that again?
I gave someone a credit card. Is that you guys?
No, not me, no. They sent me, so.
So who do you get paid by?
They pay me.
Okay, they pay.
Yeah. How much you pay for it?
$195.
Wow.
But that was 2.5 hours.
Yeah. Out of that, I only gave. I think the car was $75.
It's like the poor guy's food.
If you would have called me, I would have charged you 120 or 100. Oh, you need change?
Oh,
Are you sure?
yes.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
I don't want to break down again. I don't want you.
Hey, I'm gonna give you my business card, right?
Fine.
And where you from?
New York City, but I
Oh,
go back and forth.
okay. If you are here, this is my. I started this little business not too long ago.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
What was I gonna say? You know the poor guys with Uber? They
Oh.
get fucking 50 cents on the dollar. And you know what else those pricks do? You know, they take half the fucking tip.
Yeah, like that's crazy. But yeah, let me just finish here, torque them to spec, and you all set. Give me 1 second. Wow, the $100. All right, you all.
Here's the deal. Can you just wait here a second?
Yeah.
I just want to make sure the car starts.
Oh yeah. Fine. Yeah.
For 3 hours it's been on the fucking...
Yeah. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I'll wait. Trying to not go over 55 miles an hour. Normally, the message is for when it's for the front. You have it in the back, but you know,
Go
drive
slow.
50 miles.
I'm in the city.
In New York City.
I hadn't taken the fucking car out in 2 months. My it
Oh,
sits there.
wow.
So
Yeah.
anyhow, I don't know if it's dry rot. Hold on a second.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. If you need a jump start, I got it for you. Make sure it starts. Yep, all set.
Thanks a million. Really
All right, thank you so much. Take care and sorry for your loss. Drive safely, okay? If anything, I'm available 24/7.
Take care.
All right, have a good day. Woo! I did not make much today, but you can give me a good tip today, you know? You see, you don't see that every day. That happens when you're good to people, you'll talk good up to people, you don't come here, be swearing, you just make everything nice and easy for the customers. They like that and they appreciate that, you know. You give me $100 tip. That goes towards vacation. This is all my tip. All my tip I put in here. And that's how I do it. Alright, so I have a problem. It's so humid and hot outside that this vehicle inside, all the wind chills, windows and everything are so foggy. So alright, how do I get back home? Let me ask my girlfriend if she wants something to eat, because she's been cleaning all day. We're going on vacation, so she don't like to have the house dirty. So we're going on vacation. When we came back from vacation, so the house gonna be clean. That's why. Hey, babe.
Hey,
Hi, babe.
¿qué haces?
Aquí, yendo para casa ahora. Estoy por el highway. Chacho, suerte que avancé. Yo llegando y 2 minutos yo ahí Llegó otra persona porque parece que le enviaron el call a 2 personas. Diantre, y yo no le tiré fotos ni nada. Déjame poner. Oh, wow. Espérate, déjame ponerle esto. ¿Quieres algo de comer?
Ay, papi, de verdad, sí.
Hacho, pero es que yo no, en verdad, yo no sé dónde parar ni para dónde ir.
Cómprame un McDonald's porque si yo estoy mal.
Está bien.
Well, wait.
Alright, so you want McDonald's. Alright, so let me turn around and get you some McDonald's. What do you want? Quarter pounder, McChicken, McDouble? What do you want?
Un doble.
McDouble? Alright. Alright, ¿y quieres papa? Dale, yo te llevo comida más. Bye, I love you.
¿Cómo?
Que está bien entonces, yo te llevo comida. Está bien, bye, I love you. Ok, bye, te veo ya mismo. Bye. Alright, so guys, that's it for today. See you guys in the next one. What she want now? I don't know what she